Hey guys, it's King Crafts here, and today I'm going to show you how you guys can make purple slime. Okay, let's get started. So first thing you're going to need is something to mix in. I am just using this bowl. Sorry, my camera's not very focusing. I'm going to use this bowl. I'm going to use some Elmer's glue, school glue. Here, let me get a better shot. Sorry about all the noise back there. That's my sister and they're playing. So you're also gonna need something to mix with. Yeah. And you're gonna need a borax and water mixture. There's some borax down there, but I still need to mix it up. And yeah. So I also forgot, you're gonna need some, if you want to make a purple, you're gonna need some food coloring, but that's totally optional. You're gonna need something to place it in, and it's usually one of these containers. Okay, so first you're gonna start off by pouring in your glue. Okay, I'm only gonna add a little bit. Okay, this is as much as I added. That's kind of a lot when I think about it. Okay. And for next, So next you're gonna add some food coloring. I'm gonna add another tiny drop because food coloring goes a long way. And also, if you want to make it fluffy, you guys can use shaving cream. And that's what I think I'm gonna do to just make it seem bigger. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some shaving cream. Just regular shaving foam. It's foamy, so yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. Okay, next I'm just going to go like this and mix it. Sorry guys, you guys are not really getting focused. Okay, so I'm just still mixing here. Okay, so here's the color purple. I don't know if you guys can really see this because my camera's not focusing. Okay. Oh, it's just camera focus. There you go. And next I'm going to add another drop of food coloring because it's not the quite purple that I wanted it to be. There's this one girl at my school because she likes purple. And yeah. For kids that go to my school, everyone should know who she is. For those of you who don't, it's just someone that goes to my school. I cannot get this right. Okay. Next, I'm going to add a little bit more shaving foam because this doesn't look as I want it to be because that doesn't look nice. Gotta make it really foamy. Okay. Next. Oh. Okay. And I like this color. That's very good. Ooh. Okay. This is the color I like. Next, I'm just going to clean off this. Just gonna get that. That's my phone. I'm on my camera. Okay, it's only a little bit though. That was okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of this borax and water mixture. For the borax and water mixture, I would just make sure that you have hot water. Just make sure that's really hot water. Don't burn yourself though. Don't want it to happen. And a little bit at a time because get too much, it won't come together as it's supposed to. So it should pretty much look like this as you keep mixing. It's gonna look kind of ugly, guys. But it's gonna look like this, but you have to trust the borax method, just trust the borax, and it will get better. Just trust me, just trust me, just trust me. Okay. And it's really sticky, it still feels like foam. Okay. I still feel some shaving cream in there, so I'm just gonna keep mixing, and it's coming together nicely. But as I wanted it to come out. Like, okay, so here's the finished product. It's not very stretchy at all. It's kind of just meant to like squeeze. Ah! Dropped it! I think that's bouncy. It's very bouncy. Guys, I have a little bit too much borax, so mine's not the best, but hey, you guys can also try out the contact solution method, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment down below what else you guys want to see, and please subscribe.